pretty ugly right here. It's pretty ugly right here. It's pretty ugly.
I'm a dizzy motherfucker, ready kissing your mother and bringing petty to this muddled in a city. Your muggles, this is a gritty, that's the troubles, giving physics and doubles a kid. Muddled in a world for the nutters and cutters and shit. What's this? I'm a gullible cunt with your chip, sitting on my shoulder while my owners deliver my script. Cool tech for the monos and droners expect. Let's go home and go local till you own a grip. Don't think if you won't give the gift of the God, but pick it to God, I'm flipping them off. For heaven's a pot, I live in a box, in prison for sinning and causing different scores, contradicting laws that trick the system with the simple flaws of physics. Forward 50, I'm a pawn of pity, born to give the order, strictly horror in a modern city, crawling with the spawn of 50s. I'll concoct an army, swiftly dropping lyrics at you since it's handy. If you want to rock a party, call the staff day. I'm appalled and angry, standing with a fag and lager, falling in the dark for banter, runner in Barack Obama. Don't demand the drama, man, will smash you with a massive hammer in the park, faster than a matching gas sparks a fire. I'll be catching a cab to Buyers Road to lie and moan that guys that owe the cash the most want to have my damaged soul. But I'm a heartless rogue, crafting hope to land a job, a man alone, asking for a chance to revoke a papa chose.
I sleep through the day and wake up in the evening. Early birds get the worms, early worms get eaten. Now keep it blunt, you think your statements are equating something. Let me see your working stone, we all walk the same pavement in the long run. Now you see what I thought done, my heart's blacker than my lungs. Forever represent the slums I'm living in. You're witnessing the symptoms of a distant infant, transmitting persistence. Overcome a litter of bigots, they say life's too short, what you gonna do that's longer? 15 years in education, why bother? Stick to the roster, you could be a lawyer or a doctor. Well, I denied that shit, I heard wisdom begins in wonder. I wander through existence and I blood too dumb for giving up. If you aim at nothing then you hit it, that's sure enough. Storm in my brain, dropping off the cup philosophy. I'm underground like landmines, waiting on cuts to walk on me. Move with a crew full of misfits, true. Lost in the booth, nodding off to the tune. This is nothing but a page from the journal of a stuttering nocturnal mesh blazed in the burrow. Eyes glazed double, a lovable migraine in a troubled mind state, dressed in yesterday's clays. I'm parading in the rain, this rain of terror is insane. If you didn't have the scum, tell me who else would take the blame.